I want you to imagine a specific day. The day interview results comes out. You worked 10 hours a day. Your SLA was completely green. You took zero sick leave in last 6 months. But when you scan the list, your name is not there. And the guy who takes 5 smoke breaks a day, taken several leaves in last few months, he got promoted. I mean, why? Is it politics? Is it luck? The answer is no. You failed the test you did not even knew you were taking. Hi, I am Atanu. I spent 12 years in this industry. I have gone from taking calls to being an assistant manager at top MNC. But I did not get here because I was hardest worker. I got here because I stopped thinking like an agent and started thinking like a business owner. The difference is not hard work. The difference is date. There is a silent killer in every BPO. It destroys more career than office politics. It's called the Shrinkage Trap. When I interview team leaders today, I don't ask them about their team's login hour. I ask them, how much money did your team lose me last month due to unplanned shrinkage? 90% of the candidates stares at me blindly, and that is the exact moment they lose the opportunity. You need to stop guessing. You need to know your number better than your boss does. I'm going to give you that weapon to fix this. This is not just a spreadsheet. This is the exact shrinkage calculator I built to track my own team. It separates planned loss from unplanned disasters. It tells you exactly where you stand in the safe zone before your appraisal even happens. Look at cell B5. We think we have 2805 hours, which is 15 team members into 8.5 hours a day for 22 days. That's a lie. We approved 50 leave, cell B9, and for training we considered 20 hours, which is cell 10. That's total is normal 2.5 planned shrinkage. That is no problem. But look at here. 2 people called in sick. In B15, look at this. 8.5 into 2, which is 17 hours. 1 person did not show up, which is in B16. And system were down for 5 hours, which is in B17. That's tiny, right? But wrong. That adds another 1.1%. Your total shrinkage is now 3.6. If you did not account for this in your roster, your SLA just failed. Most team leaders only track absent. A good leader tracks seat utilization. Look at cell B25. If you want to impress your boss, stop sending reports on who was absent. Send a report on productive hours recovered by reducing the downtime. I have uploaded this file in the description. Download it, fill it in. If your number is red, you have work to do. But don't worry, fixing the math is step 1. Step 2 is fixing the people. Especially managing new generation is a nightmare for most of the leaders nowadays. But I found a way to make it easy. We'll talk about that in the next video. Download the sheet and let's get to work.